Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We got Al in the house, hosting his first ever meet.
It's pretty good so far for
Hell yeah.
in the morning meet.
Right? Powered by OmniChat. Alright boys, look at this turnout so far. We got my car. We got all the Supras. Damn, hella Supras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Supras. We got all the Beamers over here. And then we got some Americans over there. That Z06 is nuts. It's a red Z06 chat. Got a G80. Got Al's car. Millionaire! Rich! Look at all this carbon fiber. On the Heritage Edition? Damn. Guys, he got this diffuser. I think it looks really sick. Let's move the whip real quick. Damn, let him know, chat. Fuck. Bro, the cruise turned out crazy, and the meat is even crazier, bro. Look, these are all the Beamers at least. You got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, another one, another Beamer, another Beamer. What's good, bro? How you doing?
I'm good, bro.
We got EJ's F82, Austin Yellow. Damn, bro. Look how mint this is. Literally looks like a Ferrari in there. Not gonna lie. The paint's in better condition than mine. Y'all gotta see the engine bay though.
Gotta get the pussy sticker.
Bro. Insane. Alright boys, so that's the car meet. Me and Al are heading out. Everyone else is still here, like those Nick, Judd. Judd's car's right there. Nick and EJ's cars are over there behind Al. And yeah, I'm going home. I gotta get ready for work later. So I will pick up this video when we are back outside.
The next day.
Alright guys, we are back. As we know, the F80, F82, F87, anything with the S55 sounds like dog shit. I'm not gonna lie. So we ended up getting a single mid pipe and a 3-can muffler with no valves, and the full system is from Active Autowerks. It's a discontinued system, so you can't get it anymore. And I did pick up the system secondhand. So, oh my god, bro, are you shitting me? Literally, are you shitting me? That's annoying. Now I gotta clean that. But yeah, so this is the stock exhaust right now. Just got some black ARM Motorsport tips. As y'all can hear the rumble, this is the full stock system, stock mid pipe, stock muffler, stock down pipes. Alright guys, so this is what the current system is sounding like. This is the full stock system, the competition muffler with the stock mid pipe, and we are currently in Sport Plus. So give it a rev. And now this is with valves closed, so in the comfort setting, when everything's in comfort mode, still the same system, the stock muffler, all of that. So give it a rev. Literally a fart cannon. Y'all see what I'm talking about? It sounds so bad. Alright guys, it's a few days later, and it is exhaust install day. So I want to give you all a real quick cold startup, and for the last time, this is gonna be the cold startup on the stock exhaust and the stock mid pipe. So and bye-bye black tips. We can finally get some exhaust tips to match the wheels, so I'm super excited for that as well. We are finally gonna make her louder. After 28,000 miles on the odometer, we're doing an exhaust upgrade. I've done everything else. I got BBSs, I got the roll cage, I got the quick release steering wheel, we got the carbon fiber backs. And I mean, pretty much everything exterior is done too, right? We got the taillights done, we got the trunk spoiler, we got the carbon fiber plate, carbon mirrors, front lip paint matched, the carbon canards, the front mount intakes. We also have Eventuri carbon charge pipes, and we also have a CSF charge cooler that needs to get put on. but we're gonna do the exhaust first, and then we're gonna worry about some of the internal engine mods like the charge cooler. I have an oil catch can that needs to go on still. So we still have a bunch of goodies that are gonna go on the car, but for today's video, we're gonna be installing the exhaust, so I hope y'all are ready to hear what this sounds like. All right guys, these are stock poles that I'm about to show y'all. Let me turn off the AC real quick. So that's windows up and that's valves open. And then we can do one with windows down. All right guys, the full exhaust system has made it to the shop and we got the car here. I had to clean up the tips a little bit, but that's what they're gonna look like.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance.
Alright guys, stock exhaust system is off. This is the big ass suitcase, bruh. I like to call this the Rimowa. And then a mini Rimowa. And we got this new system over here. Heck yeah. Compared to all of this mess. The exhaust is on there roughly. We still gotta do some playing around to get it to fit properly, but let's give her a first startup. Yo! Yeah, that sounds good! New system is on. Look at how sick it looks from under the car. The silver tips with the silver wheels definitely look way better. Alright guys, the exhaust is on. We got the silver tips aligned and everything. I'm gonna give her the first startup with everything tightened down. We did a little startup for y'all earlier, but we're gonna let her warm up now. Ooh, y'all hear that? Damn. Just idle, guys. Fuck. Alright, we're gonna get a little rev. Oh! That's comfort too!
No, it's not.
No? Oh, okay, okay. Oh! Oh! That sounds so good! But yeah, we'll probably get some sound clips of it tomorrow morning when we go out with Al, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's it for today. We're gonna drive home, see how it sounds from the inside, and let me know what y'all think, because she sounds good now, I'm not gonna lie. All right, boys, good morning. It's the next day, and we are filling up some gas. We got the silver muffler in there, if y'all can tell. Single mid pipe all the way back. And it's the full active Autowerke setup, so super stoked about it. I think the car sounds so much better now. It has like a deeper tone. So this is what it sounds like from the inside. I think it sounds pretty good. All right guys, we made it to the meet. Look at all these whips. M3CS, S4, S3, M3, M4, M3. And we got Chris here.
Good chat.
Wow, hella cars. What is that? Supra?
330 guy.
Oh,
340 guy. Oh, that?
Yeah, that's an M340i.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, so we're on this cruise, and there's so many people with us. We got Chris up there. We just blew M2 randomly. We got a great M4 up there, and then look at this lineup. to the car meet. We got Chris right there. EJ's already here. So let's go check out what's here. You know what really caught my eye when I got here? Is this yellow TRX. It's like on a Baja kit, super high up. Bro, it's got carbon fenders. I don't know what that is, but that looks crazy. These humongous wheels. Front carbon fenders as well. Front bumper in carbon. Bro. 6.2 liter supercharged. I need one of these in my life, for real. Let me know if y'all would like TRX on the channel. I think it would be super sick having some like Mopar content and some Beamer content. There's some cool ass cars here though. Look at this one. CS. Sheesh. Imola red. Damn. This is a little bit after Cars and Coffee. And now we got Al and Nick with us. We're outside. We're at this nice ass spot. Got multi-million-dollar houses over there. Those are like $10, $15 million each. And then we got our cheap ass cars. That's fire.
See like all that shit behind
Yeah. Nut butt.
Nut to butt. You know?
Your CCVs are poking hella, huh?
They are definitely.
Oh yeah, this is the angle, bruh.
I told you.
Sheesh! That's the thumbnail. Like, fuck, chat. That literally looks like it's out of a movie right there. Damn.